The Routine Airport Maintenance Program, or RAMP, was established in 1996 as a grant program to support general maintenance and improvement projects in our airport system. The program is supported by all 25 TxDOT districts and is available to nearly 300 airports statewide. This year we have two winners, both from the same district, a district that has been recognized in the past for its ongoing support of airports. Our winning team oversees a district that has 18 airports eligible for RAMP, and of those airports, 14 are active participants in RAMP every year. Despite the large number of airports, our team goes above and beyond by being proactive to their airport's many needs. In addition, they are advocates for the mission of RAMP. Our first coordinator has been active with RAMP for several years, serving as RAMP coordinator for 2 TxDOT districts. Former TxDOT Aviation Division RAMP Program Manager Megan Caffel said our winner was the reason airport maintenance was a topic at the annual TxDOT Maintenance Conference for 3 years in a row. Our second winner has been working in his district for several years with a previously retired coordinator and has now had the role for about 2 years. He checks in with the airports in his district to determine if special projects or routine maintenance are needed. As said earlier, proactive. These RAMP coordinators take ownership of the airports in their district. Therefore, last year, when 2 of their district's airports were awarded Most Improved Airport and Airport of the Year, they took great pride in the accomplishment and the recognition their airports received. This year, both assisted TxDOT Aviation Management with preliminary discussions for a statewide airport pavement maintenance project, which was unrelated to the RAMP program. This shows their willingness to help preserve and improve airports. It is our pleasure to announce Mike Stroope and Dave Barrera with the TxDOT Lubbock District as the 2018 RAMP Coordinators of the Year.